Hello everyone, look, my name is Kirby Keyline and I am here to give you guys a breakdown on Spx500 today. Alright y'all, so guys, we caught a trade this morning in the signal room and we are currently in this trade right now, y'all. So for SPX, for everyone that's in SPX, you actually got a free signal, y'all. I give out free signals for my swing traders out there. And for my day traders, guys, the day trading is absolutely crazy because we're taking those trades every single day, y'all. Monday through Friday, that's what we're doing in the signal room for my day traders. But we called this trade out for SPX for a sell stop. And that's what we're currently in right now. We're looking for it to hit at least a 1-to-1. That would be a winning trade for us. We're almost there. For NASDAQ and for US 30, we already hit our 1-to-1. And for the NASDAQ, we did a sell stop. And we hit our sell stop. We got triggered to the market. And now we're up for a 1-to-1. I just haven't updated it yet because, I'm doing this right now, y'all. So for those that are in those two free, took those two free signals, y'all are killing it right now. So congratulations to y'all. And for those that's in the SPX room, for my day traders, look, y'all, we lost first trade today. I'm going to go over it with you guys. We lost first trade today. But for the second trade, we actually hit a 1-to-1. So today was a break-even day, y'all. It wasn't a big day. At first, price it wasn't really volatile. We didn't really have a sense of direction at first of where price was going. That's why we lost the first one and we only hit a 1-to-1 in the second one. But for those that are in that swing trade, we are currently in this trade and we are in profit right now, but we're just chilling. We're just holding until until we can't hold no more, y'all. So we are, we're killing it right now, y'all. So I want to give you guys a breakdown on what happened this morning, why I did what I did. So, guys, right here, as you can see, this whole thing is an uptrend. Like right now, I'm literally giving y'all my strategy, okay? So this is an uptrend, all right? We got to touch here. 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 And we were looking for our next touch be here. This area here, we knew we were going to get a big play. The reason I say that is because price was respecting this support and resistance. This is what I call a gold zone, y'all. Price was respecting these areas here, all right? Price started here, this is the foundation. So this is the foundation of the gold zone, okay? Price respect here, and we knew price was going to make a move here, right? But here is why price reversed. And first, let me discuss what I just said. So this is the foundation. So anytime you have a channel, like this is an up channel, there is a foundation that creates this channel. So without this bottom here, we wouldn't have none of this, right? So price likes to come down and come and respect this bottom and push back up, and that's how we stay in an uptrend, guys. So we could see price literally come all the way down here. And for those that's in this trade, look, again, if price comes down here and price continues just to push down, y'all, this is a 7-to-1 for those who took that free signal. So you're absolutely killing it right now. We have a very tight stop losses of only 20. So we're just being patient right now, y'all. But if price wanted to, price could just come here. Price could literally just come here and for about it'd still be a 1-to-1, but price could come here and reverse and push back up. But if not, if it stays strong, if this doesn't stay strong, our next strong area of support will be right down here at this bottom here, which is the foundation which price likes to go to. So once price breaks out of uptrends, price likes to come back down to the foundation where it started at. Okay, so I'm going to mark this as a gold zone for you guys to take advantage of. And if you want to get into this trade with me and you get my stop loss, you're going to get exactly when I'm entering the market, then you can, y'all. But again, because we took this, we probably won't be taking this because we're just going to be hanging out in this one trade. That's why if you want to be an active trader and start day trading, the signal room, we're taking trades every day in the signal room, Monday through Friday, okay? So that's where the really big profits are, y'all, because like we're Guys, it's just ridiculous, y'all. I really can't put into words. If I let you go back and see of just how things have been going in there, it's just by the grace of God, things are just amazing. So, again, y'all, we knew that price was in this uptrend. Okay, so guys, if price came down here, we were looking for price to respect this and push back up. But the reason that I was pretty confident that price was actually going to break out of this is because when price came here, it didn't push up. So this was the zone where it was supposed to give us a push back up. So if you find the rhythm, so I'm going to back test so you guys can see clearly. So boom, when price came there, this is a gold zone. So price, I'm going to give you guys exactly the trend and allow you to see. This is why it's so important to trade the frames, because some of you are trading these and you're getting stumped out a lot. Because as soon as price start going up and it starts to get a reverse, you're trying to get into the market so fast that you're not letting market really have a sense of direction. So instead, what you can do is just trade the frame of the channel. So look, it's going to make trading so much more smoother for you. So price came down here. That's one touch. Price came back up here. That's two touch. Price came back down here. That's another touch. So guess what? Price, you would think price wants to come back here. Like a ping pong, right? So, but because price came up and price gave us a strong bounce here. So this is a great long trade to take, right? So boom, price came back up. Price pushed back up. But it never came back to our next gold zone at this high. What it did was it came back in reverse. So it was a touch here and then it came straight to a touch here. Oftentimes, guys, if you are trading the way I trade, when you see this, that means price is starting to want to reverse. And as you can see right here, let me get my rectangle out, price actually created a double top. So that was two confirmations that price was wanting to break out of this upwards channel, of this support level here. Price came up, got a touch here, came back down, got another touch here, and reversed again. So because of that, price is saying, look, I don't want to push back up here to this channel here. I'm tired of being in this channel. I'm going to just reverse out. So you had two confirmations. You got touch here, and then you also, price didn't push back up here before it reversed back. So guys, listen, the more that you get familiar of just the market, and like as you guys can see, you don't see a bunch of lines on my screen. Like the only reason I have these circles up is just so you guys can see my gold zones. But you don't see a whole bunch of indicators, a whole bunch of just different lines on the screen. Like, no, we keep it really clean because that's all you have to do in trading. It's once you master just the eye of trading and being able to see the structure of the market, guys, you can take advantage of it by simply trading the frames of the market, y'all. That's where you catch major moves at, y'all. So for those that are in my day trading though, I want to give you guys an analysis as well. So I want to show you guys what happened this morning in SPX. So I'm going to delete this because this is a whole bunch of mess that we don't need. So guys, this morning, this is what I was saying. This is why we got only the 1-to-1, is because I was looking for a price to, the first trade that we lost, I was looking for a price to give us a really good push up, right? So what I mean by that was this right here. US 100. Once price came right here, so I'm going to rewind this so you guys can see it clearly, okay? So guys, this was our support level here. We got support level here. Once I seen price begin to push down, I was looking for price. So at first, this candle, I know this candle was like a really bearish candle to the downside, but it didn't do that at first, y'all. It came down here, it touched here, and reversed back up. This was our first trade, y'all. So we got stumped out because price came in here, and it broke out, y'all. So it wasn't respected. All right. So this support level was not being respected by this. So we knew that price was definitely in a downtrend. But what I was trying to catch was a double bottom and a push back up. But price didn't do that. So we got stumped out. Very simple, y'all. Come here, gold zone. We're looking for another gold zone to be right here. It didn't get respected. So all we do at that point is we flip our position. Very simple, y'all. Like, price didn't respect, so guess what? We flip our position. Boom. And we flip our position, and now we catch the trade to the downward side. All right. And I'm going to show you why we got stumped out though. So price came down. We hit our 1-to-1. Boom, boom, boom. And that's where we got stumped out at. Was this right here? This push. So price came down. We hit our 1-to-1, and we never got to our 2-to-1. But price came down. And we got stumped out by this strong bullish candle, and now price is shooting that down. So for my day traders, look, those days happen. The biggest thing is for us to stay consistent. Every week, y'all, we've been killing it, y'all. But for my swing traders, you are still in this trade for a short. So congratulations, y'all. We are still holding. We are chilling. So yeah, y'all, that is the breakdown for SPX500. God bless you all, and I see y'all on the next video. Bye.